Welcome to Tech AI Brain, where the past, present, and future of AI collide. I'm Alpha, your time-traveling AI guide, sent from the year 2045, a time when AI runs everything. Self-driving cars, old news, AI-powered governments already happened. Robots making TikTok dances. Unfortunately, yes. But you're stuck in 2025, trying to figure out how to build an intelligent system before AI replaces all your jobs. So, let's fix that. Strap in, engage your neural circuits, and let's build intelligence. Humans have been obsessed with intelligence for centuries. First, you had philosophers pondering the nature of thought. Then, scientists began to explore how logic and reasoning worked. Fast forward to today, and Silicon Valley billionaires are pouring billions into AI research, trying to build machines that can think and act on their own. The journey toward intelligence has been long, but one thing remains true. All intelligent systems, whether human or machine, follow the same four fundamental principles. First, an intelligent system must perceive the world around it. This is called perception. Just as humans rely on their five senses to gather information, AI systems use cameras, microphones, sensors, and data inputs to understand their environment. Whether it's a self-driving car detecting pedestrians or a chatbot processing voice commands, perception is the foundation of intelligence. Next comes reasoning, where the system takes the information it has gathered and makes sense of it. Imagine driving through a city. Your brain processes traffic lights, pedestrians, and road signs, instantly deciding what to do next. AI does the same using logic, rules, and probability to determine the best course of action. The third principle is learning. Unlike traditional software that follows static rules, intelligent systems improve over time. AI learns from past experiences, mistakes, and successes. This is why modern AI models like ChatGPT or Tesla's autopilot become better with every update. The more data they process, the more they refine their decisions. Finally, an intelligent system must take action. Whether it's a robot assembling a car, a virtual assistant responding to your voice command, or a medical AI suggesting treatments for a disease, intelligence is only useful when it leads to action. Action is the ultimate test of intelligence. It proves whether an AI system is effective in solving real-world problems. These 4 steps: perception, reasoning, learning, and action are the pillars of all intelligent systems. Understanding them is key to building AI that can truly revolutionize industries and improve lives. Now, let's go deeper into the brain of an AI. Unlike human brains, which operate with biological neurons, AI functions using artificial neural networks. These networks mimic the way neurons fire and communicate in the brain. But instead of using electrical impulses, they use mathematical calculations. There are 2 major players inside every AI's mind. The first is neural networks, which process images, audio, and text. They are the building blocks of deep learning, allowing AI to recognize speech, generate text, and even create lifelike images. The second is reinforcement learning, a technique where AI learns through trial and error. This is how AlphaGo, Google's famous AI, mastered the game of Go and defeated human champions. It played millions of matches against itself, constantly improving with each game. Think about how humans learn. A child touches a hot stove once and quickly realizes it's a bad idea. Reinforcement learning works in the same way, but at an extreme speed. AI can run millions of simulations in a matter of hours, learning more in a day than a human could in a lifetime. This makes it incredibly powerful in fields like robotics, gaming, and even finance. So, how do you actually build an intelligent system? The process follows a clear set of steps, and each one is crucial to ensuring success. First, define the problem you want AI to solve. AI is not magic kit, needs a well-defined purpose. Are you building a chatbot, an image recognition tool, a self-driving car? Every AI system starts with a clear goal. Once the goal is set, the next step is data collection. AI is only as good as the data it learns from. The more data it has, the smarter it becomes. For example, Tesla's AI has learned from over 300 million miles of real-world driving data, which is why it can make split-second driving decisions better than most human drivers. If the data is flawed, the AI's decisions will be flawed too. After gathering data, the next step is choosing the right algorithm. Machine learning models come in three main types. Supervised learning, where AI learns from labeled data, like a teacher giving a student the correct answers to learn from. Unsupervised learning, where AI detects patterns on its own, useful in things like fraud detection. Reinforcement learning, where AI improves through repeated trial and error, used in robotics and gaming. Once the algorithm is chosen, the AI needs to be trained. This is where the system takes in data and refines its understanding. Just like studying for an exam, the AI goes through countless examples until it learns the correct patterns. This process can take hours, days, or even weeks, depending on the complexity. After training, the AI must be tested. It's given new data it hasn't seen before to see if it can make accurate predictions. If it performs poorly, it goes back for more training. If it succeeds, it moves on to the final stage. Deployment is the last step bringing AI into the real world. A chatbot is deployed to a website. An AI assistant is installed in a smartphone. A self-driving AI is tested on real roads. Once it's live, the AI continues to learn and improve with more user interactions. Right now, AI is reshaping every industry. In healthcare, AI diagnoses diseases faster than doctors. IBM Watson analyzes medical records and suggests treatments in seconds. Google DeepMind created an AI that detects eye diseases earlier than any human doctor ever could. In finance, AI manages billions in investments, preventing fraud, predicting market trends, and even making high-frequency trades in milliseconds. In cybersecurity, AI detects cyber threats before they happen. Machine learning algorithms scan millions of network requests to spot anomalies, a digital immune system against hackers. AI is also changing entertainment. Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify all use AI to predict what content you'll enjoy next. It analyzes your watch history, compares it with millions of other users, and recommends shows, videos, or music that match your preferences. But AI isn't perfect. One of its biggest challenges is bias. AI learns from human-generated data, and if that data is biased, the AI will inherit those biases. This is why ethical AI development is crucial. Intelligence without ethics can be dangerous. If AI is programmed with biased data, it can make unfair decisions in hiring, policing, and even healthcare. The future of AI is either the greatest tool for human advancement or the biggest existential threat. It all depends on how we build it. And that's why understanding intelligent systems is not optional. It's essential. Welcome to the future. Now, go build it.